I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this video almost never made it to YouTube.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Simply because at this point, White Cement 4 Shock dropped last week, and I'm like, bro, I don't know if y'all need to see that, but there is some music content that I was gonna drop in this video, and there's actually some new sneaker leaks that I might as well show y'all real quick.
Okay.
We're hearing Tokyo 5s might drop fall 2025, and if this shit is true, I'm actually gassed up about this one because it's a pair that released early 2000s that was actually going for thousands of dollars. So if we have a second chance at getting these for retail, I would actually try to get my hands on them. We recently got confirmation that the shattered backboard Jordan 1s are pushed back all the way to August 23rd, and now that I'm looking at the images from Z Sneakerheads, these actually aren't looking as plush as the 2016 pair.
Okay.
If that's the year they dropped, they're not looking as buttery as that OG shattered backboard we got.
So that was a f***ing lie.
At least from these pictures, I could be fooled though. It's crazy that we're not even in the middle of 2025 and we already got some leaks for 2026. Apparently we're gonna get a Jordan 4 Flight Club in 2026, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro, this off-white, creamish white color with the black and the red on the Nike Air is not looking too bad. Y'all let me know down below if I'm bugging. These actually do not look terrible. If you told me this was a sample from back in the day, I wouldn't be shocked. I'm not even gonna lie, because these look fire. I also wonder if this is a Flight Club collab or it's just a Flight Club colorway. This is hella far out though, so we'll have to see next year, low-key. The more pictures we get for these Cavestone 4s, the better and better they're looking, y'all. These shits look clean in these pictures right here. These shits are looking good in hand. I'm a low-key try to see what's up with these. They're supposed to drop September 6th, but let's go ahead and get into our regular scheduled program because White Cement 4s dropped last week and shit, I might as well talk about them for a little bit. Today we had the number 4 version of these release. I thought I'd probably have a chance at getting them, bro, because there was an exclusive access shock drop situation happening, but as per usual, you feel me, no exclusive access over here, y'all. Dumb shits dropped, came and went, and nowhere in sight for me. I do see they're gonna drop in a couple weeks though, so I am gonna try to get them because I want the Jordan 4 White Cements in the collection. Initially, I was only gonna make the video if I got exclusive access, but realistically, this is what I gotta do, y'all. We're entering season 2 of NORI, bruh. There's so much that I do that's not just sneakers, to the point where it stops me from posting as much as I know I could if I was just filming something else. Like, let me keep it a bean with y'all, bro. I'm gonna take y'all off this tripod in a little bit. I finally got my music setup going on, so I'm about to learn how to make music. If y'all don't know, I used to rap probably like 10 plus years ago, and I never really stopped freestyling and shit, so I kind of developed a passion for it in the background. Never made a song by myself, nothing like that, so it's all new. Recording myself, rough draft, crazy shit, bro. I've been studying a lot. I've been playing my Vita, so it's like if I just talk to y'all when I'm talking about kicks, we might not kick it as often as we should, you feel me? So I'm not fucking with that too much, and that's why I'm here today to tell y'all that the Jordan 4s did release, you feel me? Don't get butthurt. We're gonna do something a little different. I do want to know if any of y'all cop though. If y'all ended up getting exclusive access for the Jordan 4 White Cements, let me know in the comments below, because that's a big ass dub, bro. I saw somebody hit on a full family size run, dead ass winning, bro. I know that's bread too. That's probably like $600 off the hit. I don't know, I'm just making some shit up. Homie hit on everything. That's a big dub, not gonna lie. I wish I would have got exclusive access, would have done a review, but these days, like I said, too much going on for me to spend more bread on kicks, bro. Like, look at this shit. I do not need more sneakers, you feel me? Like, I am gravy with the biscuits on sneakers. Like, I'm at a point where I'm dead ass about to start selling the ones at the top just to buy new releases for the videos. And it's one of those things where I do not need over 130 sneakers. Like, it's not happening, bro. I have these, they fire. I'd rather lose a couple pairs and get White Cement 4s. Out of the OG Jordan 4s, which is y'all favorite? For me, it definitely has to be Military Blues. I love these right here. We do also have Fire Reds and the Breads, which you can't go wrong with. It's very easy to pick either one of these depending on what you like most. White Cements is first or second with these right here, so I need those to complete the set 100%. That's kind of what I'm trying to get at, bro. I don't need every single release, but there are a lot of pairs that I might just need for the collection, bro. Like my old pair of those, lost their wing while they were flying in these streets, bro. So I need the refresh, and I would have loved to get that shock drop today, can't lie to y'all. But it is what it is. We're gonna keep pushing forward. Let me know in the comments if y'all ended up copping. If y'all didn't, are y'all gonna try to get them once they release? I feel like resale is gonna dip a little bit, so don't get too antsy when it comes to this pair, because I feel like there's gonna be hella pairs in circulation. Look at what happened with these. Now, I do understand that Jordan Brand is trying to get it a little bit tightened in this year, but with these OGs, I feel like they give them a little bit more grace when it comes to the stock numbers. That's just my opinion. I'm waiting to see what's going on with them. I hope y'all are low-key satisfied with sneaker content for today. We about to just chop it up over here real quick. All right, so I'm gonna take y'all to my little makeshift stew, bro. I finally got a little recording setup over here, bro. It's just a little Vox guard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Stand, you feel me? Boom. Nothing too crazy. I'm dead ass. Stop it. Stop it. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I might put this, but I don't know if it's good, bro. This little thing, feel me? Whatever. That's low-key the mic I use to talk to y'all, but what I typically do is just freestyle on my phone. So right now I got like 500 voice memos, probably more if I'm being honest. My whole thought process is I could turn these voice memos into songs. They'll be good flows, good melodies. So what I could do if I record it is low-key just tap into the same flow and energy, but switch the words. Like, what the fuck? So this is my first real time trying to do that. And we about to start going live on Twitch, bro. I don't know when exactly. If y'all want to see that, comment NORI on Twitch down below. We gonna be on there. I might fuck around, record a song with y'all there, bro. Technically freestyling. And then I'm like, yo, let me see if I could just swap the piece. And I ended up with hella tracks. You feel me? Like, this is technically the freestyle. Right here is when I actually redid it. Yeah, 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 whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. I might have to start off with this. Every scar just a line in a text. Get that pain on my motherfucking chest, cause I know I'm the one that was blessed. So I gotta accept all my blessings. Only way I'll be great at the ending, and that's whether you like it or not. In a matter of time, you gon' see them lies. 2020, I visualize it a lot. Think my pops, we done made it off the block. Relocated, I'm up in a different spot. Amen, I'm shooting straight for the top. I got this shit on the stove, so it's hard not to keep it hot. You might have to sit at the nosebleeds of my show, making sure I'm the next one to blow. I'm the one that keep working the most, and I know I'm the one that was chosen. Shit, I never wanted your potion. Our future is stuck in the ocean. Could get me touched. So I gotta keep it. This is all freestyle, to be honest. This piece right here. Be on us. Shit, I know it'll 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 be on us. This is all freestyle, and I led into this. Walk with the Lord, I can never be greedy. Promise I'll be right there when you need me. Yeah, yeah. Walk with the Lord, I can never be greedy. Promise I'll be right there when you need me. Yeah, yeah. Walk with the Lord, I can never be greedy. Promise I'll be right there when you need me. Yeah, yeah. I got melodic songs in my voice memos with the type beats that go with it. So if I really learn how to record and add the right little filters and shit, which I'm already, you feel me? I'm not about to be on some dumb shit. Like, I know what people use and I'm about to apply it. I just got to learn how to record myself first. If I make the correct moves, just know that I'm doing it all me, all organic, all nothing, no bullshit, bro. It will never be nothing about nothing. Cause realistically, I love music, but I hate certain aspects that come along with it. If I'm gonna just say that, so it's a little tricky. But if I could just do it by myself in my home, if it blows, it's whatever. If it's not, it's whatever. You feel me? It's low-key just what it is, bro. Y'all might see a fucking tape drop by me. I don't know what's going on right now, bro. Mad shit going on. My little boy coming 2 months, gassed up, bro. That's one of the many things I'm excited for. I also do have these right here. They're low-key on trial, bro. I have them on this table. If they make it, they make it. If they don't, they don't. I don't know when I'll wear these, bro. And I feel the same way with a lot of kicks in my collection right now. Like, if I don't need it, I don't need it. It's that point in the sneakerheads thing, bro. I might drop a video about that shit too. Let me see what this should say for today. Thank me in the midst of the crucible. When things seem all wrong, look for growth opportunities, especially look for areas where you need to let go, leaving your cares in my able hands. Do you trust me to orchestrate your life events as I choose, or are you still trying to make things go according to your will? If you keep trying to carry out your intentions while I'm leading you in another direction, you defy your desires. Be on the lookout for what I'm doing in your life. Worship me by living close to me, thanking me in all circumstances. That's May 13th. I can't make this up, bro. I've been talking about doing this vlog music shit forever, but I had this in my closet since Christmas. And it's here, bro. Like, you feel me? So we're in a whole new era, new vibe, whole new feeling right now. I think I'm gonna go live soon. I need to just chop it up, get that feeling from y'all. I haven't done it in a minute. It's one of those things where I kept telling myself, wait till this point, wait till then, wait till you get a gimbal. Bro, I'm not waiting till the next moment anymore. It's just happening now, or it's not gonna happen at all. And that's kind of the perspective that I'm trying to take as far as everything in my life, bro. You might get like a mystery Thursdays, bro. I'm into conspiracy shit. Diddy had Cassie getting peed on. How could I not talk about that shit? You feel me? It's something that'll switch the whole mood, the whole tempo, bro, because we are bugging out. And I'm not really trying to spend money on kicks all the time no more, bro. We growing. I got a whole baby on the way, like pivots, bro. And I feel like I could do much more. I could offer y'all way more than just talk about a new release, which, mind y'all, I will continue to do because that's part of me. I will get excited for a white cement 4. I'm gonna get excited for a black metallic 5 that I never had growing up. That's just gonna happen. And it's crazy because I'm filming this shit right now and I cannot lie to y'all, bro. Typically when I film a video, it takes me a couple tries because I'm fucking talking about a release date, a retail price. Did they go up in value? Like, I gotta check these things. Over here, I'm just talking from here, bro, and it's flowing like, can't even lie to y'all, can't make it up. This is gonna be way much more easier to edit than any other video I've done simply because it's coming from the heart. I feel like I just took some shit off my chest. Now, season 2 of NORI is officially in effect. There's a lot to come, so make sure y'all subscribe. Matter of fact, bro, if you're into sneakers, there is gonna be more kicks. We've been working. I kind of like this melody that I dropped from the freestyle. I could turn that into something. Crazy. So it's one of those things, like, bro, I might really drop a tape on y'all, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. If I'm playing my Vita, would y'all care? Like, would y'all mind, bro, if I just record myself, just, you feel me? Like, it's a point in my life that I'm at where, like, I don't want to just box myself in, especially having y'all here with me. I feel like I have a responsibility to offer more to you since you did subscribe to my channel for a reason at some point in time, bro. It means you enjoyed something. So I don't think you'll necessarily have to stay just for sneakers, even though that's something I will offer y'all. Don't know if I could do Supreme like that. Also got my little Funko collection going on, bro. So why should I box myself in? That's just what I'm saying, bro. I don't want to wake up one day and feel like I didn't give it my all. And that's why we're in season 2. I appreciate y'all. If you made it this far into the video, make sure y'all leave a like on this one. We got a lot more content on the way. Now that I can do this and turn on the video and chop it up about some other shit, I feel more excited to keep going. I also got to see if I can realistically do this because I don't want to throw my channel away by switching niche, which is technically not what I'm trying to do, you feel me? Like, I'm trying to just keep shit flowing and rolling without having to stick to one thing. So appreciate y'all. If y'all have any content ideas, any questions, if you've been subscribed for a minute and you made it this far, give me some Q&A questions because I finally might actually fucking drop that shit. Not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm excited for a room tour. Y'all see we got a whole vibe going on in here. It is a little messy. I was dead ass making music. If y'all made it this far, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. And shit, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. We got a lot of fire content on the way. I don't even know what that is yet. We might have a Pimp My Ride episode. I gotta do some shit on my car. We got so much going on, bro. MTV Cribs episode with the tour. A lot coming, bro. I'm trying to see how I can make this the best shit possible, bro. Time for lacking is over. Let me know what y'all want to see from this channel. I'm literally in like a reconstruction phase right now where your ideas might actually get implemented and you can see us go forward and turn this into fruition. I appreciate y'all, bro. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in one of the next 2 videos, which I got some more things planned on the way. I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.